Good morning, students. I hope that in the last class we have discussed the surface, how we can find surface area of combination of figures. I had given you three homeworks. I hope that you have understood, done the homework. Now let us start next topic: volume of combination of solids. If you are given a solid, the combination of different geometrical forms, how we can find its volume? For finding volume, we have to add the volumes of different geometrical figures you are given. But for finding surface area, whatever the surface visible, you have to take into consideration. Now let us start exercise 13.2. You have to do all the solved examples because it is also very important, that may also come in the board examination. 13.2, I am reading the first question. You also just open the NCERT book whenever you see the video so that you can also read the question. First question is, a solid is in the shape of a cone standing on a hemisphere with both their radii being equal to 1 centimeter. Height of cone is equal to radius. Find the volume of the cone. You are given exercise 13.2. First question. You are given a solid. The solid is in the form of a cone standing on a hemisphere. And the condition given is, why I am making so small cone? Because you are given the condition, आपको condition दिया हुआ है, radii of both are equal to 1 centimeter. And height of the cone is equal to radius. Cone का height radius का बराबर दे रखा है, तो ज़्यादा difference नहीं होना चाहिए. That is why I have drawn the figure like this. Now you are asked to find the volume of this solid in terms of pi. Now R of cone is equal to R of hemisphere. R of cone is equal to R of hemisphere equal to 1 centimeter. H of cone is equal to, you are given as 1 centimeter. For finding volume, we need not find the value of slant height. Now volume of the solid is equal to volume of cone. I told you, जब भी वॉल्यूम पूछा जाएगा, दोनों जितने भी फिगर है सारे फिगर का वॉल्यूम को ऐड करना है. सरफेस एरिया में जो सरफेस दिखेगा उसका सरफेस एरिया निकालना है. वॉल्यूम ऑफ कोन प्लस वॉल्यूम ऑफ हेमिस्फीयर. नाउ वॉल्यूम ऑफ कोन का फॉर्मूला 1/3 पाई आर स्क्वायर एच प्लस 2/3 पाई आर क्यूब. मैंने आपको बोला है जो भी टर्म्स आप कॉमन ले सकते हैं, फॉर्मूला से सिंप्लीफाई कर सकते हैं, लास्ट में वैल्यू पुट करना. 1/3 pi is coming common and r square is also coming common. तो यहाँ कौन सा टर्म बचेगा? h again 2r. Now 1/3 pi, you are asked to find values in terms of pi. R square is 1 square 1, h is 1, again 2r is 2 into 1, that is 2. That is 1/3 into pi into 3 cm cube. Just 3's are getting cancelled. You are getting the value as pi cm cube. That means you are asked to find the value in terms of pi, and you have to write the unit. Unit of volume is cubic unit. Unit of area is square unit. Now let us do question number 2. I am reading the question. Question is, Rachel, an engineering student, was asked to make a model shaped like a cylinder with 2 cones attached at its 2 ends by using a thin aluminium sheet. The diameter of the model is 3 cm and its length is 12 cm. If each cone has a height of 2 cm, find the volume of the air contained in the model that Rachel made. Assume that outer and inner dimensions of the model is nearly the same. Rachel was asked to make a model. The model is in the shape of cylinder with 2 cones at both ends. And the total length of the model is 12 cm and diameter of the model is 3 cm. Height of the cone is 2 cm. You are asked to find the volume. Let me draw the figure. I am drawing horizontal figure. If you want, you can draw vertical. Otherwise, it is better to draw vertical so space will be remaining. एक सिलेंडर है, सिलेंडर के दोनों साइड में एक जैसे 2 कोन को अटैच किया एल्यूमिनियम शीट से. This is the model. Let me draw in the proper way. It should be straight. That is, one cone is attached in the bottom and one is attached in the top. Both are in the same shape. This is the model. ये है model. This model is given and you are given that total length of the model is 12 cm. इसका लेंथ 12 सेंटीमीटर दे रखा है. नाउ radius is given 3 centimeters. Diameter is given 3 centimeter. Radius is 1.5 centimeter. Height of the cone is given as 2 centimeter. Height दे रखा है 2 centimeter. This is also 2 centimeter. Then what will be the height of cylindrical part? 12 में से दोनों को माइनस करेंगे. Then you will get 12 minus 2 plus 2, that is 8 centimeter. This should be understood. Total length मतलब पूरे solid का उसमें से cylindrical part अलग करना है. Now first of all you have to write R of cone is equal to R of cylinder is equal to 1.5 centimeter. Let h be the capital H be the height of cone, cylinder, and small h be the height of cone. दोनों का height अलग है इसलिए अलग अलग letter use करना है. I am using capital H for cylinder, small h for cone. H of cylinder that we have found is 12 minus 2 plus 2, that is 8 centimeter. Small h of cone that is given as 2 centimeter. Volume of the model is equal to volume of the solid given, that is 2 into volume of cone, because there are two cones, 2 into volume of cone plus volume of cylinder, that is 2 into volume of cone means 1 by 3 pi r square h, because we have assumed small h is its height and the volume of cylinder is pi small r square, both radius are same and height is capital H. From this which you can take common, इसमें से कौन सा आप common ले सकते हैं? Just see, you can take pi r square common. You will take, if you take pi r square common, you will get 2 by 3 h, 2 by 3 h plus capital H. Let me check. 2 by 3 h plus capital H, that is put the formula values of pi equal to 22 by 7, and r is that you are given as r is 1.5. 1.5 can be written as 3 by 2 into 3 by 2 into 2 by 3 into h of cone is 2 plus h of cylinder is 8 cm cube. Last में unit लिखना. That means it is getting cancelled. If you cancel it, you will get. Let me check. We will look the cancellation in the last step. You will get this as 22 by 7 into 3 by 2 into 3 by 2 into, if you take LCM, 24 plus 4, 28 by 3 into cm cube. Now, what can be cancelled? This is getting cancelled 4 times. This is 2 times. This is 2 times. That is, you are getting, now what is remaining? 7 4s are 28. Again 1 3 is also getting cancelled, that is 22 into 3 is 66 centimeter cube. This is the second question. Now third question is, I am reading the third question. A gulab jamun contains, let me check the answer also, that is 66 centimeters cube. A gulab jamun contains sugar syrup up to about 30% of its volumes. Find approximately how much syrup would be found in 45 gulab jamuns, each shaped like a cylinder with 2 hemispherical and with length 5 centimeter and diameter 2.8 centimeter. There is a this is number 3. There is a container. In container I am drawing the figure. There are number of gulab jamun. इसके अंदर बहुत सारे गुलाब जामुन दे रखा है. गुलाब जामुन is shape of hemisphere on both and at the cylinder in between them, like this. इसके अंदर बहुत सारे I am drawing little bit, and the shape of gulab jamun given as like this, 2 hemispherical and with cylinder in between them, and each gulab jamun contains 30% of sugar of its volume. हर गुलाब जामुन में उसका वॉल्यूम का 30% शुगर है. जार के अंदर टोटल 45 गुलाब जामुन है. देन what is the volume of, otherwise how much sugar is in 45 gulab jamun? So first of all we have to find volume of one gulab jamun. What is you are given? You are given the diameter of the gulab jamun is 1.4. Let me show or draw in a clear way. This is gulab jamun. This is the 2 ends. इसका डायमीटर 1.4 दे रखा है, सॉरी 2.8, देन रेडियस इज 1.4 centimeter. Here again radius is 1.4 centimeter. Total length is given as, let me check, the total length given as 5 centimeter. Total length 5 centimeter दे रखा है. Now from these, this is 1.4, this is also 1.4, ये 1.4 गया, ये 1.4 गया, तो remaining मिलने के लिए, height of cylinder मिलने के लिए 5 minus 1.4 plus 1.4, that is 5 minus 2.8, that is 2.4 centimeter. Well, let us check all are in same unit or not. Yes, all are in same unit. Volume of one gulab jamun. Volume of one gulab jamun is equal to volume of 2 into, there are two hemisphere, 2 into volume of hemisphere plus volume of cylinder, that is 2 into, see 5 minus 2.8 is 2.2, very careful about calculation, that is 2 into 2 by 3 pi r cube plus pi r square h. Again one h is there, so no need of taking anything else. That is from these two you can take pi r square h, you can take pi r square common. If you take pi r square common, you will get 4 by 3 r plus h. 4 by 3 r plus h. Then put the value of pi is 22 by 7. R what you are given 1.4. 1.4 into 1.4 into 4 by 3 into 1.4 plus h, height of the cylinder, that is 2.2. At last we have to write the unit, that is centimeter cube. Calculation हमेशा आपको ये mensuration में calculation बहुत ध्यान से करना है. Now this is volume of one gulab jamun, and if you solve this, I am not going to show you any calculation step. That is, if you do it 22 by 7 into 1.4 into 1.4 into 4 into in the bracket, that is 9.6 plus 2.2, 9. Let me check. 9.6 plus 2.2. You will, if you find the value of this is that is, well, this is 5.6. Let me write all stuff, otherwise you will get confused. 5.6 by 3 plus 2.2. This is 15 fours are 5.56. Now if you solve this, you will get 22 by 7 into 1.4 into 1.4 into, if you solve this, it is 6.6 into 5.6, that is 12.2. 12.2 by 3. 12.2 by 3. That is centimeter cube, since it is volume. If you solve this, I am writing it directly. 7.5. The calculation is very critical. 75152 upon 75152 upon 3 into 1000, because this is changed into fractional form. This is the volume of one gulab jamun. 75152 upon 3 into 1000 cm cube. Now how many gulab jamuns are there? That is, there are 45. Therefore, volume of 45 gulab jamuns is equal to 45 into volume of 1, that is 75152 upon 3 into 1000 cm cube. Now sugar syrup, एक गुलाब जामुन तो वॉल्यूम का 30% लेते हैं, तो इसमें कितना शुगर सिरप होगा? इस वॉल्यूम का 30%. Therefore, quantity of sugar syrup, sugar syrup in 45 gulab jamuns is equal to 30% of this one, that is 45 into this. This is gulab jamun, and this is the volume of 45 gulab jamun, and 30% of this is 30% of 45 into 75152 upon 3 into 1000 centimeter cube, because it is better to do the final calculation, the last step, otherwise you will do mistakes. That means 30 upon 100 into 45 into 75152 upon 3 into 1000 cm cube. That is 30% of 45 into 75152 upon 3 into 1000 cm cube. That is 30 upon 100 into 45 into 75152 upon 3 into 1000 cm cube. If you solve it, you will get approximate value as 338 centimeter cube approximately. Maybe in the decimal place that you can do by yourself and round it. Now next question is question number 4. A pen stand made of wood is in the shape of cuboid with 4 conical depressions to hold pens. The dimension of cuboid are 15 cm by 10 cm by 3 cm. The radius of each of the depression is 0.5 and depth is 1.4 cm. Find the volume of the pen stand when the volume of the entire pen stand. That means this is a pen stand. Pen stand is in the shape of a cuboid. Cuboid है pen stand का shape और I'm drawing this one and let me draw once more. इसको दिखाना थोड़ा मुश्किल है. क्यूबॉइड के ऊपर दिस इज आई एम शोइंग दिस लाइस. क्यूबॉइड के शेप में पेन स्टैंड इसके ऊपर पेन लगा रखा है. इसके अंदर कॉनिकल डिप्रेशन है, 4 कॉनिकल डिप्रेशन है. तो आपको जो वो पेन स्टैंड दिखेगा पेन को हटा करके तो आपको क्यूबॉइड दिखेगा, उसके अंदर 4 कॉनिकल डिप्रेशन दिखेगा. तो आपको पेन स्टैंड का वॉल्यूम पूछा गया, इसे कॉनिकल डिप्रेशन है. दिस कांट बी शोन. ये ऐसा ड्रॉ करके नहीं दिखा सकते हैं. दिस गिवन इन द बुक. दिस इज द पेन स्टैंड. दिस इज द पेन स्टैंड एंड इट्स इन द फॉर्म ऑफ क्यूबॉइड. लेंथ ब्रेड्थ हाइट एंड गिवन एंड पेन को लगाने के लिए कॉनिकल शेप में 4 गड्ढे है. तो इस स्टैंड का वॉल्यूम पूछा गया. तो क्या करेंगे आप? टोटल वॉल्यूम ऑफ क्यूबॉइड में से चारों कोण का वॉल्यूम माइनस करेंगे. व्हाट यू आर गिवन? L of cuboidal stand and B of cuboid and H of cuboid. First of all, write the given thing. You are given L of cuboid. What is length of cuboid? 15 centimeter. By means first is 2 by 3 by 4 means 2 is length, 3 is breadth, 4 is height. Length is 15 centimeter, breadth is 10 centimeter and height is 3.5 centimeter. Now radius of, let me check. The radius of the cone is given as R of cone is equal to 0.5 centimeter. Now height of the cone is given as height of the cone is equal to, you are given it as let me check 1.4 centimeter. Now we have to find the volume of the entire stand. That means we have to subtract the volume of 4 cones from the volume of cuboid. Now this time I am doing a separate कर लेते हैं. Volume of cuboid. What is volume of cuboid formula? That is L into B into H. That is 15 into 10 into 3.5 centimeter cube. That is, if you multiply this, you will get 525 centimeter cube. Now volume of cone. Volume of cone is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. That is 1 by 3 pi r square h is 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into r square is 0.5 into 0.5 into h is, where is h of the cone? 1.4. Now therefore volume of 4 cones, total 4 cones say, that is 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 0.5 into 0.5 into 1.4 cm cube. Now if you solve this, you will get 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 0.5 into 0.5 into 1.4. You will get 44 by 30. You just check it. 44 by 30 cm cube. Therefore volume of entire pen stand, volume of entire pen stand is equal to volume of cuboid minus volume of 4 cones. That is, we found the volume of cuboid is 525 cm cube. 525 cm cube minus 44 44 by 30 cm cube. That means 525 cm cube minus 44 by 30. If you solve it, you will get approximately 1.47 cm cube. If you solve it, you will get 523.53 cm cube. 523.53 cm cube. Let me check. This is the answer given. Now, I will do the next question also. Last two questions you have to do as homework. I am reading the question. Question number 6. A solid iron pole consists of a cylinder of height 220 cm and base diameter 24 cm, which is surmounted by another cylinder of height 60 cm and 60 cm and let me check once more. 60 cm and the radius is 8 cm. Find the mass of the pole. Given that 1 centimeter cube of iron has approximately 8 gram mass. You also let us take cylindrical. You are given two pole. One part of the pole is one cylinder and another part of the pole is another cylinder. Then if you draw the figure, iron pole consists of cylinder of height 220 centimeter. This is question number 6. This is first part, cylinder of height 220 centimeter. This is 220 centimeter and diameter 24. That is radius is 12 centimeter and it is which is surmounted by another cylinder. उसके ऊपर एक छोटा cylinder surmount हुआ है. उसका length और radius आपको दे रखा है. The height is 60. थोड़ा इसको थोड़ा छोटा बनाना क्योंकि छोटा सा सिलेंडर है. 60 सेंटीमीटर एंड रेडियस इज गिवन एज 8. इसका रेडियस 8 दे रखा है एंड यू आर आस्क्ड टू फाइंड द मास ऑफ द आयरन यूज्ड टू मेक द पोल. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू फाइंड वॉल्यूम ऑफ बोथ कोन. वॉल्यूम ऑफ आयरन पोल इज इक्वल टू वॉल्यूम ऑफ बिगर सिलेंडर plus volume of smaller cylinder. That is bigger cylinder you can use capital R and capital H, smaller and smaller. That is pi r square h plus pi r square h. If you want to take common pi, that is r square h. R is 12 centimeter square. That is 12 centimeter square into h is 220 plus small r is, let me check, 8 centimeter square. 8 centimeter square into 60 centimeter. Now, if you solve this, that is, you are asked to take pi equal to 3.14. That is 3.14 into 12 square is 144. 144 into 220 is 31680. Let me check. 12 square is 144 into 220 is 31680 plus 64 into 60. 64 into 60 is 3840 cm cube. 64 into 60 multiply करिए आप 3840. If you add this, you will get the value as 314 upon 100 into. If you add these two, you will get 355. Let me check. 355 20 cm cube. 355 20 cm cube. Now need of figure 355 20 cm cube. If you change in decimal form, you get 111 cm cube. Let me check. 111 532.8 cm cube. Now, given that mass of 1 cm cube of iron, is given as 8 gram. Therefore, total mass of iron pole is equal to 115 mass equal to volume into density. 111,532.80 into 8 gram. If you multiply it, you will get 8, 9, 8, 9, the digits is all big, 8, 9, 2, 2, 6, 2, 8, 9, 2, 2, 6, 2, 8, 9, 2, 2, 6, 2.4 gram. But we usually measure the mass in kilogram. That means the gram, we got the values 8 into 111, 532 into 80 into 8 gram is equal to 892262.40 gram. If you change it to kilogram, you get 9 by dividing it by 1000, 892 by 892.26 kg. That is, the calculation is so big, 892.26 kg. That means today we have discussed 6 questions of exercise 13.2, that is conversion of solid. If one solid is converted to another, their volume will be equal. For finding the volume of combination of figure, we have to add the volumes of each figure separately. And 2 questions are remaining that you can do as homework. If you need queries, you can ask me. See you again. Thank you.